Did you know that the Forex market is the largest financial market in the world, with a daily trading volume of over $6 trillion? That's more than 20 times the daily volume of the entire US stock market. Today, I want to talk to you about a game-changing tool that can help you tap into this massive market and potentially make life-changing profits. It's called the Alpha Zero Forex Robot, and it's been making waves in the trading community with its incredible ability to turn small investments into massive returns. In fact, in just 3 hours, it can turn a modest $100 into a staggering $450,000. Yes, you heard that right. $450,000 in just 3 hours. That's the kind of profit that can change your life, and I'm excited to dive deeper into what makes this robot so powerful. Imagine having a system that can consistently deliver these kinds of results without you having to lift a finger. No more hours spent analyzing charts. No more sleepless nights worrying about market volatility. No more emotional decisions that can cost you money. The Alpha Zero Forex Robot takes all the guesswork out of trading and lets you sit back and reap the rewards. Of course, this kind of power doesn't come without its challenges. As traders, we all know how tough it can be to navigate the Forex market. The volatility is relentless, and the decisions we make can make or break our accounts. We've all been there, staring at a screen, wondering if we should take the trade or not, wondering if our analysis is correct. It's a high-stress, high-stakes environment that can be overwhelming at times. But that's exactly why we need tools like the Alpha Zero Forex Robot. This robot is specifically designed to take the emotions out of trading and make decisions based on cold, hard data. It's like having a super smart, super disciplined trader working for you 24/7, making trades that are based on tried and tested strategies and algorithms. One of the biggest challenges traders face is the fear of pulling the trigger. We've all been there, we've done the analysis, we've set our targets, but when it comes to actually taking the trade, we hesitate. What if it doesn't work out? What if I lose money? The Alpha Zero Forex Robot eliminates that fear because it takes the decision-making process out of our hands. It's like having a safety net, a guarantee that your trades will be executed with precision and accuracy. Another major challenge is staying focused. Trading can be mentally exhausting, especially when you're staring at screens all day. The Alpha Zero Forex Robot takes that burden off your shoulders, letting you focus on other things that matter. Imagine being able to take a vacation, knowing that your robot is working hard to make you money while you're soaking up the sun. Volatility is another major obstacle. The Forex market is notorious for its unpredictability, and even the best traders can get caught out by sudden moves. The Alpha Zero Forex Robot is designed to adapt to changing market conditions, using advanced algorithms to stay one step ahead of the curve. It's like having a crystal ball that can predict market movements before they happen. We've all heard the stories of traders who've blown up their accounts because of impulsive decisions. Maybe they got caught up in the excitement of a trade, or maybe they let their emotions get the better of them. The Alpha Zero Forex Robot eliminates that risk because it's based on strict rules and parameters. It doesn't get excited, it doesn't get emotional, it just gets the job done. In a market that's dominated by high-frequency traders and institutional investors, it's tough for individual traders to compete. The Alpha Zero Forex Robot levels the playing field, giving you the same tools and strategies that the big boys use. It's like having a direct line to the trading floor, without the millions of dollars in infrastructure and personnel. Of course, all of this sounds too good to be true, right? But the proof is in the pudding. Let me show you exactly how the Alpha Zero Forex Robot works its magic. The Alpha Zero Forex Robot uses a combination of advanced algorithms and machine learning to identify high-probability trades. It's constantly scanning the market, looking for opportunities that meet its strict criteria. When it finds a trade, it executes it with lightning speed and precision, using advanced risk management techniques to minimize losses and maximize gains. One of the key features that sets the Alpha Zero Forex Robot apart is its ability to adapt to changing market conditions. It's like having a flexible strategy that can pivot on a dime, adjusting to new information and market developments. This means that the robot can stay profitable even in the most turbulent of markets. The robot also uses advanced technical analysis to identify patterns and trends that are invisible to the human eye. It's like having a super-powered charting platform that can spot the tiniest fluctuations and capitalize on them. But what really sets the Alpha Zero Forex Robot apart is its ability to scale. Whether you're trading with $100 or $100,000, the robot can adapt to your account size and risk tolerance. It's like having a personalized trading assistant that can tailor its strategy to your unique needs and goals. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this all just hype? Is the Alpha Zero Forex Robot really capable of delivering these kinds of results? Let me tell you, the proof is in the pudding. In just 3 hours, the robot took a modest $100 investment and turned it into a staggering $450,000. That's not just a return on investment. That's a life-changing event. The performance data doesn't lie. The Alpha Zero Forex Robot is a game changer. But it's not just about the numbers. It's about the testimonials from real traders who've used the robot to transform their lives. I've seen it with my own eyes. People who were struggling to make ends meet, who are now living the high life thanks to the Alpha Zero Forex Robot. The results are staggering, and they speak for themselves. The Alpha Zero Forex Robot is not just a tool. It's a key to unlocking the secrets of the Forex market. It's a powerful ally that can help you achieve your wildest dreams. And it's available to anyone who's willing to take the leap. So let's take a step back and summarize this incredible journey. We started with a modest $100 investment, and in just 3 hours, the Alpha Zero Forex Robot turned it into a staggering $450,000. That's the power of automation. That's the power of advanced algorithms and machine learning. It's a testament to what's possible when you combine cutting-edge technology with the Forex market. So what do you think about automated trading? Have you had any experiences with robots or algorithms? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about trading strategies and tools, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.